Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Now, Black Panther shattered the box office with $235 million in weekend sales, making it the top-grossing film in the history by a black director and featuring a largely black cast. The feverish anticipation for the movie pushed record-breaking sales in the US and in Canada. The Marvel film from the Walt Disney Company blew expectations to become the fifth highest-grossing debut ever. The local premiere of Black Panther movie not only set pre-sales records, but saw long lines around the theaters over the weekend, with many movie lovers and fans of the movement repping in costumes, solidifying their participation for the revolution. The revolutionary and thrilling movie Black Panther lived up to fans' expectations.
I think that it was really well produced, great script, and what it did was to show how advanced and our thinking as African, our heritage, how we actually was able to rule the world in those days. And you know, I mean, the fictional story is a story that has sent a message to us.
Amazing. Wow, everything was wow. The message is dynamic, like more films, more stories. Like, we have so much history and so many stories to tell in Hollywood flicks, and I think that's what's exciting.
I like it, you know. Yeah, man, I like it. I think it's well put together. It have the comedic elements, it have the action, a nice script. I like everything about it, man. It represent the culture well, you know what I mean?
It was only natural that Guinness, the brand that is made of more and made of black, that we actually host some special invited guests and our social media fans and the media, you guys here for a spectacular show. Thoroughly impressed, and you know, I can't wait for part 2.
The 31-year-old director-writer Ryan Coogler had a budget of US $200 million, and it was a budget well spent. The director is hoping to change the way viewers see Marvel Studios superheroes like Captain America and the Avengers. The strong female leads show strength and unity in securing the kingdom of Wakanda. Black Panther, the biggest black movie to hit the big screens. Bounty Killer receives international award. Although unable to travel to the United States, veteran dancehall artist Bounty Killer was last evening honored with a Blue and Bougie Lifetime Achievement Award at Mingles Cafe in Bronx, New York. The award serves to honor the artist, born Rodney Price, for his outstanding contribution to the music industry in Jamaica and on the international level. Hundreds of music fans and celebrities roared enthusiastically as Bounty's image appeared on the Jumbotron screens inside of Mingles Cafe.
Good evening, everybody. I just want to say a big thank you to Blue and Bougie Inc. out of New York City. Thanks for this Lifetime Achievement Award. It's much appreciated. It's always an honor to be honored while one's alive. And I'm sure this will help me to push and carry the music and help the people.
Bounty has made a significant impact on dancehall music, having not only delivered a solid catalogue for himself, but shaping the dancehall landscape with the introduction of a number of the top artists today like Busy Signal, Vibes Cartel, Movado, Idonia, Baby Sham, Elephant Man, and many more. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.